guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing on love money. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can make a minimum of $5 per day using your phone. I'll also be walking you through each app, but before I dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Time is money and I don't want to waste yours, so let's get started. Number one, Freecash. The cash is not free though. This company works with other companies that want to advertise their products such as apps, games, or collecting information via surveys. What makes Freecash even more appealing is their minimum payout threshold of only $0.50, and anyone above the age of 13 can join this website. They pay via PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Visa cards, and Bitcoin. On this website, users are able to make anywhere between $100 to $200 per month, participating on different mini projects such as downloading apps advertised and taking part in different studies. This value you see here is the total for yesterday's cash out, not that one person earned this money. When you finish answering a study or playing a game, you earn free coins which will be added to your balance and can later be exchanged for cash. You need about 5,000 coins to withdraw $5. This is not hard to reach because mini projects pay anywhere between 100 to 1,000 points for a 5 to 10 minute task. If you don't want cash and would like to exchange for Bitcoin, you only need an equivalent of $0.10. I recommend using the Bitcoin option if you don't need the money instantly. Reason being, you can maximize your earnings because Bitcoin may go up over time, and by the time you cash out, you would have made more money than what you earned from Freecash. But if you know you will need this money maybe to buy food or toiletries, then just opt for the PayPal or Visa card option. They also have featured offers which tend to pay more because they are customized to your demographics. To reach level 1, you need 100 points, and after this, you will receive 10 free coins every day for doing absolutely nothing other than logging in daily. These coins are not automatic, so you do have to claim them, or you can decide to bet them. For Freecash, you don't have to download an app. You can use their website. This is what their dashboard looks like. When you click the N option, it will show you all the offers from featured to offer walls, then surveys. The only downside with this website, some high paying offers or studies require you to have a particular app for multiple days or do a certain task for a week before you can get paid. If you want to see the money instantly, it can be discouraging. But if you'll be receiving $30, for example, for completing a task over 5 days, logging in 10 to 15 minutes per day, I think it's still worth it. If you want to go through that, you can just take low-paying jobs that require you to perform the task within a couple of minutes and get $1 here and there. Next to the cash out option is the leaderboard. This does not only show you people who are active on the platform and doing well. Freecash also pays a daily price of $500 per day to different people, $5,000 per month, but you will have to be part of the top 250 to be considered for this opportunity. And it's worth noting that you won't receive $500 per person, but they split it among different people based on points and other factors. Another method of earning here is by betting, but not with real money, instead points. I do not advise betting as it can be addictive. I'm just sharing this opportunity for those of you who may be interested. Plus, you are not using real money but instead points. So there is a World Cup happening and Freecash has teamed up with Stake to give away a total of $500,000. To be able to participate in this giveaway, you have to sign up, then predict scores for different teams, and if your predictions are correct, you win real money. It's not only about predicting correctly, but also how many points you accumulate in the leaderboard. Number 2, AppKarma. AppKarma is similar to Freecash. They compensate you for completing different offers. This app can be downloaded by iOS and Android users, which is amazing because some of you guys have told me that you were not able to use some of the apps because they're either for iOS or Android. They pay in Karma points, and in order to cash out via PayPal, you have to reach a minimum threshold of 5,250 points for a $3 payout. After each withdrawal, you get back some points as cash back, well, I guess point back, and you can start accumulating more points again, but this time not starting from zero. When you install AppKarma, you immediately get 300 points. This app can be a bit confusing because after installing, you'll see other apps within it that you can download individually, and when you do, you get more points. But some of these apps are paid and I do not recommend downloading those. I believe most of the paid apps are affiliate links, and if that's the case, then AppKarma was very smart in embedding their affiliate links. For example, I saw ExpressVPN, a paid service I also use. If you download ExpressVPN through AppKarma, AppKarma gives you points, which is good, but it doesn't make sense downloading ExpressVPN if you won't use it. So only download the ones that are free and get extra points that way. Some free apps have in-purchase features, but you don't need those either to earn points. They may say you'll get extra points if you spend on paid features, but don't. I don't recommend buying anything unless it's an app or service you plan to use. They also offer achievement badges where they give extra bonus each time you do something considered as an achievement, such as watching X number of videos or ads that pop up while you are playing a game or logging into the app multiple times a day. One important tip: do not download an app to earn points and then delete it right after. Reinstalling is not counted, so wait until you redeem your points, then you can delete. Also, if you download another app through AppKarma, make sure you open that app after installing it or when it's done installing, because if you wait for an hour or a day before you open that app, the tracking may be lost and you won't get any points from that download. Sometimes when you download an app, you may be directed to a blank page or another app instead of Play Store or Google Store. In such a case, it just means that the advertiser either stopped the campaign or they've reached the daily limits. Because remember, all these offers are not just posted by AppKarma, but they work with different advertisers. Please do not use VPN to access more offers, because they can suspend your account. If you want to make $5 or more doing micro jobs, go ahead and register. These websites won't make you a lot of money, so don't obsess or spend too much time trying to make more than what's possible. These kind of websites or apps are just good to make a few dollars here and there, not a lot of money. Should you have any questions, comment down below. I'm gonna try to reply as soon as I can. See you soon.